When your vegetable plants do not get the required nutrients, their growth will stop and they will not produce enough vegetables according to your needs. When your soil is healthy, your plants will not suffer. To fulfill the deficiency of the soil, you can use fertilizers and make the soil ideal for your plants. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are the main nutrients that plants need. Now we will discuss with you what is the difference between synthetic and organic fertilizer. Synthetic fertilizers are very fast acting and you can see results of rapid growth in your plants. When you add synthetic fertilizers to the soil, it will improve its quality, texture, and fertility. Such types of fertilizers are water soluble and easily absorbed in the soil. If you apply too much synthetic fertilizer, and it can burn your vegetable plants, so you must avoid overusing fertilizer because all your hard work will be wasted in such a situation. The most important drawback of synthetic fertilizer is that it contains salts that make your soil acidic. It means there are better options for organic gardening. The most important thing about organic fertilizer is that if you apply it properly, it won't burn your vegetable plants. After the addition of organic fertilizer to the soil, it will stimulate microorganisms. At the same time, it will improve the structure of the soil. As you know, the microbes present in the soil convert organic fertilizer into soluble nutrients. These nutrients are easily absorbed by vegetable plants. I hope it makes you clear what is the difference between synthetic and organic fertilizer and why you should always prioritize organic fertilizer on the synthetic one. That is it. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks.